In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to mod this reverse me one by Lina. Let us first run this, and you will see there's a next screen. Click OK and the main window shows. We are now going to learn how to mod by changing the string here. Change this string, and then when you click from, change this string as well. And we might even, if you have time, change the code for this registration, and even get rid of the next screen. So let's begin. So we are going to use a hex editor. HXD, you can download this from the internet. Hex editor, I'm using this program. It's a free program. So I'm going to open this program here. And look for this string, part 10 tut reverse me. So click on search, find, and key in the string, part 10 tut dot reverse me, and then click search direction all, click search all, and you find it here, part 10 tut reverse me. So before we can change the string, we have to count how many bytes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 bytes. So let's open a hex text to hex input, and we need 13 bytes. So key in the new string that you want to use to replace this text. So maybe we can replace it with crack me. So type crack me. So crack me uses up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bytes, but we need 19 bytes. So we have to fill up the rest with blank spaces. So we add blank space. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 bytes, including the blank space. So we click convert now, and we get the 19 bytes in hex. So we copy this and go back to this one and overwrite all these 19 bytes. So we right click the 19 bytes here, select field selection, and paste your bytes that you have copied here. And before you click OK, you have to close this so that hex editor can overwrite this exe. Click OK, and now it has overwritten, and you need to save. So you click save, and then after you click save, you go back to your crack me folder. You will find it has created a backup of the original file. So this new file, we can test it now. Open it and see, and you notice it has changed the name to crack me. So now next thing we want to do is to change this string. Use smart check to rect, so we're going to change it to something else. So using the same technique, we will open our search tool, click find, look for this string over here, just key in use smart check to rec and then select all direction, click on search all, and it has found the string. So we need to count how many bytes that we are going to overwrite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 bytes. 22 bytes, remember that number? So here we need to fill in 22 bytes. So this, what string are we going to use? Presently it is saying use smartrec to write. Maybe we can just say try to mod me. Okay? Try to mod me. And it has to be 22 bytes. So let's see how many bytes this has taken up. From the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 bytes. Then we convert now to hex, and we have our 22 bytes. So we copy this, go back to our hex editor. We're going to replace these bytes with these bytes. So right click on this and select field selection, and now fill in the new bytes here. And before you click OK, make sure you close this, then click OK. So now if you go and check, okay, another program is using this. You need to save. Okay, now you have saved it. Open it. And see, we have changed the text. Try to mod me. So we can do the same thing for the title here. Tutorial.part10. So let's go and look for that string. Search, find, search for this string, tutorial part 10. Tutorial.part10. Search all, and we found it. Tutorial.part10. So we are not going to use the same string so long, we just want to shorten it. So what do we do? How do we shorten this? We can say mod me. So we count how many bytes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bytes. So we know we need 15 bytes. So let's count how many bytes we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I've added the spaces to make it 15 bytes. Click convert. Now we copy these hex and go back to your hexadecimal. Go back to your hex editor. Field selection with the new bytes. Before you click OK, just close this, click OK, then click save. After you have clicked save, you can go and open it and check. And you see, the title now is mod me. Yes. So the next thing we want to modify is to change the string inside here. Reverse me tutorial part 10 Lina 151. So let's go and look for this string. Click on search, find, and key in this string. Reverse me tutorial part 10, and there's a space there. Lina151. Click search all and you can't find it. Now let's try again. Maybe the string became shorter. We don't want the back part. Just search for this part of the string. Reverse me tutorial part 10. Search all. Can't find. That means the string is not visible inside the hex editor. So in order to change the string, we need to use another tool. So we close this and we open our program with this x64dbg. Okay, so we drag this to x64dbg, and you can download this program from the internet as well. I'm using this program, x64dbg, like this. It's a debugger. Okay, alright, so now we want to search for strings. You have to go to this entry point first. Entry point is the place where the program starts to run. Then you right click here, search for current module string references, and then look for the strings here. And then what string do we want? We want this reverse me tutorial part 10. This is the one. So the address is there, so we can go directly to the address and we see the string. Okay, so now we want to change this string. We have to go to this memory address 401F94. So to go to that memory address, you dump it, follow in dump. So right click and then follow in dump this memory address 401F94. So click this and look at the dump, and you can see your memory location that contains a string reverse me tutorial part 10. So this is the string that we want to change. Okay, and notice that every character has got a character plus a dot, E dot, V dot, E dot. So the last character is part 10, so the 0 here is with a dot as well. This is because it is multi-byte character, 2 bytes for one character, not 1 byte. Because this is Unicode, that's why it has 2 bytes for every character. So to modify this string to another string, we have to use select. After having selected the string, we right click and then we click binary edit, and then since it's Unicode, we will change our string here. But before you change the string, we must keep size. So click on the checkbox keep size, and here we change, and then here we change to crack me, maybe give it a number 16 or anything you like. And now you notice here it still maintains the original size with zeros at the back. Then click OK. So now you see it has changed the string to crack me 16. But to make this permanent, you have to patch the reverse me1 file. In order to patch that, you click File, Patch File. Then these are all the patches that will be applied. Click this button, Patch File, and then select the file that you want that give a name for the new file that you are going to create. At the back, put patch like this. I deliberately spell patch with the X instead of a T, so that Windows will not try to elevate this to administrator privilege. Okay, so click Save, and then 24 patches applied. Now we can go and test our new patch here. Double click. Notice you don't have to be administrator to run this because I didn't call this patch. If you name your file with the word patch, then when you run it, it will ask you to elevate to administrator. So I name it with the X instead of a T. You can also override the original file, but I want to keep a copy around, that's why I didn't override it. Okay, let's double click this now and see our result. Let's click on this, and you see it has changed to a new string, crackme16. Yes? Alright, so now the next thing we want to do is we want to change the icon. We don't want this icon. This icon is a Lina icon. We want to change it. So to change the icon, we need to use something called a resource hacker, and it's a good program here. So we can open the patch file with the resource hacker. The resource hacker you can download. This is the program. It's also a free program. Alright, so after opening this, you can go to the icon group, and you can see your file is, this is the file. This is the original file, 32 by 32. So we want to replace this icon, but it has to be size 32 by 32. So go and get a nice icon that you like. Anyway, download icon. I have a nice website which has got icons. Alright, so over here you can look for a nice icon. Maybe this icon. Alright, so we can't use this ICO because it's too big. If you download this, okay, let's see. We need 32. ICO file 32. Alright, you see, I've downloaded the ICO file, but it's too big. Let's see what's the size. Right click properties, and if you check the details, the file is 128 pixels, so we can't use it. We will have to download the PNG file and convert it into icon. So we download the PNG file, save image as, and we can save it in our crackme folder. Bug icon, and this is 32 by 32, but we have to convert it to an icon file, so you can use an online converter. Over here, this is a good converter. So we drag a file over there, upload it, and then now we want it to be 32 by 32, so we just make sure it's 32 by 32, and then start conversion. Oh, sorry, it should be 32 conversion. Okay, so it has converted. Click download. Alright, so now it has downloaded the converted to icon. Let's check the size. Properties 32 by 32. Good, so we can use it. So we don't need these two, we can delete the other two. We'll be using this to replace this icon of the same size, 32 by 32. So to replace the icon, you just have to right click and replace icon, open the file with the new icon, and go and look for your new icon. Your new icon. Alright, so we have to cut this and put it in our folder, crackme folder. Okay, put it here, and over here you can choose it, and now we have loaded this, we can click replace, and now we see it has replaced our icon. Alright, so we need to save, so just click on save, and now we can go and test, take a look at our program. Okay, let's see. Save as, save. Alright. So this is the original file and this is the patch one. Let's rename this file. Remove the ed at the back. Oh, okay, we have to put a dot. I forgot the dot. The dot there. Yes, as you can see now, after renaming the file, it shows up the new icon. So we managed to change the icon as well. Right? So we double click it. Yeah, it is still working. Mod me, crack me 16, register me, next. Alright. So that's how we change how we mod the thing. So that's all. Let's see. Alright. So that's how we do mods for programs. I've run out of time, it's taken too long, so I will not be cracking the code for this time, maybe next time. So thank you for watching.